Hi,
Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name?
my name is Sahiba.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Okay. I'm from the
Yes,
United States.
United States. Wow,
Mhm.
very
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. So, how are you doing today?
Uh, actually, I I learned a lot of things.
Hmm.
Yes, like I read a book
Oh,
and
wow.
then I learned some of word meanings
Oh, great. Hmm.
and watching some YouTube videos.
Hmm. Wow,
Yeah.
that's great.
Yes.
Yeah.
What about you?
I actually just woke up recently.
Oh, hi.
So, it's 10 a.m. here, so I woke up around 8:30.
What time is it there right now?
10:30 a.m.
Oh my God, in here 8:05 p.m.
Wow. Yeah, that's very different.
Yes, very, very different.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
did you eat dinner or are you going to eat dinner soon?
No, after cambly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Very cool.
it's my last class with you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, do you know what you're going to have for dinner?
Sorry?
Do you know what you're going to have for dinner? What you're going to eat?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Can you
Oh,
write
so,
here? I don't understand.
yeah. Mhm. That might be more
One
clear.
moment. Yes, yes, I
Mhm.
understand. Uh, Rice and vegetable.
Vegetables?
Yes, yes, yes.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
hmm Yeah,
Mm.
last night I had fried rice and vegetables.
Oh
So
wow.
similar.
And morning,
hmm
do you have
Um,
breakfast?
I actually did not have breakfast.
Uh-huh.
So I will eat later.
Okay.
What did you have for breakfast?
Chapatis
Oh,
and
okay.
tea.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Very cool. That sounds good.
Yes.
hmm Um,
And what about you? Your breakfast? What's your breakfast?
Usually I eat cereal.
Sorry?
Cereal? I can type.
Cereal type here.
Yeah, cereal.
Cereal. Okay.
hmm Yeah. Usually I have that. But
Uh-huh.
mhm.
Okay.
um
So,
so
mhm,
you can go.
yeah. Okay. So what do you do?
I'm just teaching on Cambly right now. I just graduated from university. So,
Wow,
hmm
very
yeah.
nice.
Yeah. So I'm just doing this for now. It's
Very
very
nice
fun.
job.
Yes, very nice.
Yeah. So,
Mhm.
how old are you?
I am 22.
22. So young.
hmm
Yeah.
Yeah. How old are you, if you don't mind?
No, no problem. 17.
Oh, okay. That's
Yeah.
very cool. So are you a
Yes.
student?
Yes, yes. I am in
hmm
12th grade.
Oh, okay. Very
Yes.
good. Do you
It's
find
my
it
last
hard?
year.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. hmm do you like school?
Yes, I like.
hmm
Yeah.
hmm Yeah, it can be hard.
Yes, yes. So, but
Yeah.
my subjects are very easy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's good. What do you
Yes.
study?
Art subject, English,
hmm
Urdu, Persian, political science, and computer.
Wow. That sounds
Yeah,
really
computer is
interesting.
yeah, computer is my
hmm
favorite subject,
hmm
and English is
Yeah.
my yeah.
That's great. It's
Yeah.
really great to talk with people on Cambly. Mhm,
Yes.
mhm. Yeah, I think it's a great service.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So,
So,
yeah,
oh,
yeah, go ahead.
how long have you been on Cambly?
Uh, I am using the Cambly 1 month ago.
Okay, so you started a month ago?
Yes.
That's great. Do you like it so far?
Yeah, I like it.
Mhm, that's
Hmm.
good. What were you gonna say?
Sorry?
What were you going to say? Oh, here.
I don't.
Um,
One moment.
no, it's okay.
Mm. Oh, nothing, nothing.
Oh, okay. Mhm.
Yeah.
Um, so
So,
what do you oh,
Mhm.
oh, sorry. You can go.
What's your favorite fruit?
Fruit or
Fruit,
flute?
fruit,
Fruit?
fruit,
Mhm.
fruit.
Um,
One moment.
yes, fruit.
Yeah, fruit.
Um, I really like cantaloupe. I don't know if you've ever heard of it.
One moment. I check on Google.
Oh, yeah.
Google.
Mhm.
I don't know.
Yeah, it might be maybe more of a United States fruit.
Uh-huh.
Mhm. What's
It's
your
so
favorite
famous.
fruit?
Yeah, actually, my favorite food is. Do you know? Mm, one moment.
Sure.
Mm, this. Do you
Oh,
know
plum. Mhm.
this?
Oh, great, you have one.
Yeah, we
Mhm,
have we have this fruit tree in
mhm.
our house.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Wow, that's great. Well, it's
yeah,
good that you like it.
yeah.
Mhm,
Um, all time I eat this fruit plum.
yeah, that's good.
I thought you
Yeah.
don't know about this
Yeah, I
fruit.
have heard of it.
Mm-hmm. And
Yeah.
this fruit in your city is in
Um,
your city.
we might have to bring it in, import
Hmm.
it. I don't know if it grows here. So,
Okay, so
yeah.
what's your famous fruit in your city, your country, like, city?
Um, let's see. I don't know. Maybe apples?
Apples. Oh wow!
Yeah, we have
In
a lot
my
of apple
city,
trees.
there are a lot of apples in
Really?
Kashmir. Yes,
Mhm. That's great. Do you like
it's the
apples?
season of apple, apple every
Oh,
fruit.
okay. Mhm.
Yes, but I don't like apple
Yeah.
because there is a lot of apple. That's why I don't like.
Yeah, it's too many. Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Um,
Yes.
we also grow a lot of corn here. Have you heard
Uh-huh.
of corn? Yeah. Um, we have a
Sorry,
lot
sorry.
of that. Corn?
Hmm.
Mhm.
Corn. Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Mhm.
Corn. Okay.
Yeah, there's a lot of farms around here that grow corn. Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a lot of that.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I think we only have
So,
about 30 more seconds.
yeah, yeah.
So,
So, where are you living right now? There is a
um,
lot of forms, fruit
mhm,
forms.
yeah, it's near Philadelphia,
Mm-hmm.
if you've heard of that. So, it's in
Okay.
Pennsylvania. Yeah.
Wow.
Well, it was very nice talking to you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
See
nice
you
to meet
again.
you.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye bye.
You too.